Hey everyone, if WhatsApp video call minimize or PIP or picture in picture mode is not working on your Android device, don't worry. Here is how to fix it. First, make sure your phone supports PIP mode. It's available on Android 8.0 and above, but not all phones or custom UIs allow it for all apps. Now you go to your phone settings, then apps, app management or manage apps depending on your phone model. Find WhatsApp from the list. Then tap on picture in picture and make sure the toggle is turned on. If it's missing, your device might not support PIP for WhatsApp or you might need to update your software. Next, update WhatsApp to the latest version from the Play Store. PIP issues are often fixed in newer updates. Also check app permission and ensure display over others apps is enabled. If it's turned off, PIP won't work. If you cannot find the options of display over others app is enabled or not, please comment below and I will let you know how to do it. And remember, PIP only works when you press the home button, not the back button. So during a video call, press home and the call window should shrink into a corner. If it still doesn't work, restart your phone and try again. Or clear WhatsApp cache from settings, then apps, then manage apps, then WhatsApp, tap on storage and clear cache. And that's it. You should now be able to minimize your video calls and multitask without any trouble. For more tips, subscribe for more.